With drag racing, it's so easy to get hooked. You're constantly chasing another goal. My goal was to go 7.7. We went 7.7 and instantly I was like, all right, now we gotta go 7.60.
My friend Nick right here, this guy just don't give up.
2018, year 2 in my business, Amarillo Services, and I had a couple bucks lying around, and I was like, I'm gonna buy an Evo. I know just the guy that's gonna find me this car. So I hit up Shayne. Hey Shayne, yeah, I ain't got time to talk to you. I need you to find me an Evo. He's like, oh, dude, I know just the one. I went there that day and bought the car. I was like a DSM guy, which is like first gen.
2000 came, we all know what came around.
Fast and Furious,
the Eclipses,
Talons. So that was like a 4G63 platform. Everybody's goal, if you're a 4G guy, you want an Evo.
You level up.
I took it to Seekonk Speedway, and I smoked the clutch like first try. If I'm gonna do this clutch, I might as well just do the motor.
Something as simple as an hour job, realistically, he wanted to turn into what we have today.
By the end of it, we like fully restored this Evo. 650 horsepower on a 64, 66. Back then it was cool. It made good power. It was fun. It like put you in your seat. And I just said it's the WILD Evo. And that's where we got WILD Evo from.
My friend Nick right here, this guy just don't give the fuck up. We as a team can't show up without him.
None of it was planned. It just, every aspect of drag racing, I loved it. I wasn't trying to take the mile-per-hour record. We didn't even think it was possible. The old mile-per-hour record was like 10 years. Nobody's ever been that close.
It was a whole season.
It was a whole season of just resetting the record. It's a lot. It takes a fucking team. I've known Shayne for going on 10 years. My other friend, his name's Pud. Everybody laughs at his name. Billy, he's a good friend of both of ours. The 3 guys that are a part of my car, Wild Boys, are my best friends. We all are like a family. It's so much easier to make shit happen because we're as close as we are. Without these 3 guys, this car wouldn't be where it is. Without Rafe, the car wouldn't be where it is. Because I can only do so much on my own. I do need help with the car. It's a lot. It takes an army to go fast.